Hey guys, today we're making lunch smoothies. I don't make smoothies, so we're just gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna start with my go-to protein powder, Kachava. This is lunch, I'm gonna do 3 scoops. There's really nothing in the bag, so I'm just gonna put the rest. All right. Switching it up today, instead of using flaxseed, I'm going in with 10 grain, and I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of this. This is a half a tablespoon cup, so I'm gonna do this 6 times. All right, next I'm gonna go with my cacao. Now this is to taste, so it's to your preference. I want to have a bit more of a chocolatey flavor today. This is gonna be a meal replacement, so I really want it to taste good. So I'm gonna do 3 of those. I'm gonna go with my yellow maca, just one of those for the maca. And of course, peanut butter. You guys know I love me some peanut butter in my shakes. It adds flavor, texture, and it makes it filling. I'm running out of peanut butter. Again, this is to preference, so put as little or as much as you like. You can also substitute peanut butter with other nut butter. Again, your choice. I don't even know, so we might have to throw some cashew in there too. I'm adding cashew butter because I don't have enough peanut butter. That's good enough. Somewhere around 2 tablespoons of any nut butter is more than enough. Alright, and then last but not least, I'm gonna sweeten it today with molasses. I'm going with molasses because it's a lot richer than sugar, so you can use a lot less. I'm only going to use this little teaspoon. That's it. Alright, get all that in there. Alright, now we're gonna do water and ice. I'm just gonna start with 2 cups of water. As you guys may know, especially if you've tried Kachava, it's going to multiply once it starts mixing with the water. So start with a little bit, you can always add more. That's mixed, now we're just gonna add the ice. Start with 2 cups of ice. But that's a good principle to keep the same amount of ice as you do water. All right, and now this tastes really good. It's a little thin, so I'm gonna add some more ice. I'm gonna go with another 2 cups of ice. I want more of a slushy consistency, not really like a drink, so the ice is what does that. Taste it one more time. That's good. Thank you guys for joining us again at the Nest Life Crew, and we'll see you in the next one.